I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this BMW X6. From any screen, if you click menu, you come to this screen which has, click the iDrive forward, that's communication. You click to the left, it's climate. Click down or back towards you, it's entertainment. And if you click right, that goes to navigation. Across the top there, information, address book, onboard. If you go all the way to the left, it says navigation. And if you select navigation and then just click down, there you've got new destination. So we'll click new destination. It's asking address input from address book and so on. Well, I want to put the postcode in, so we'll just go down here and you get to city. So we'll go on to city and I can put a postcode in there. There you go. That's come up with the alphabet. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to numbers. So we go across to numbers at the top here. PR5, 4. So PR54. We now need to just flick down and there you can go PR54 Preston, PR54 Waltleydale. That's what we want, Waltleydale. Selected Waltleydale and then onto street. So Chorley Road, C H O, and it's defaulted to Chorley Road there, so I just select Chorley Road. Start guidance.
Stay straight on the current road for the next 1 3/4 miles.
So it's kind of an older system, but it's going to get you where you're going. It's fairly easy to use, and also once you get near and you want to knock the sound off, if you just knock the iDrive across there, there's a speaker at the top. Click onto speaker and it puts a slash through it, which knocks the sound off, so it doesn't keep annoying you.